Okay, so the sauce is starting to look really good. It's thickened up a little bit. You can see the pieces of green from the fennel kind of flecked throughout. It gives it kind of a pretty appearance. The last thing we're going to add to the sauce is just a little bit of cheese. The cheese is going to help melt it. It's going to help thicken it up. It's going to melt down in there. And it's also going to make it even more rich. So put it in there, give it a stir, and that's really going to thicken it up quickly. And it's going to become more of something that you'll spoon over rather than drizzle. It's going to get thick, especially with the cheese and the prosciutto when that comes together. So stir it. The liquid from the wine and the butter is going to be enough so that this doesn't turn into a big hunk of cheese, but it is going to be thick. And that is looking just right. Our chicken should be coming out in just a few minutes, so we'll go ahead and set this to the side so it's ready to go on top of the chicken.